Okay, so now we're going to make the plate for the whiskey set to nest in. So let's go and get some for a slab. That should be enough for the bottom. All right. And if you don't have enough money for a slab roller, which most of us don't, it's the easy way to do it. Let's go like this. Start throwing it out. All right. This is the easiest way I've found to make a slab. Just gotta keep throwing it around like this. And bear in mind, it needs to be big enough for the set to sit on. And we're going to lose the outer edges because it tapers there. Alright, getting pretty close. At this point, you want to look at your sake set, or the whiskey set, and see if it's going to fit. And that looks like it's going to fit. Alright, so from here, we want to just start removing these tapered edges.